following video walks you through how to share your webcam and microphone using Broadcast. The first thing you'll need to do is start a broadcast, but once you've done that, simply press the Share Webcam button on the menu. You'll be prompted by Google to allow broadcast access to your webcam and microphone. Please press Allow. You will see a small indicator on the camera that something is happening, and after a few seconds you should see the webcam loading. I will now join a viewer so you can see what your viewers will see. So to my left is the broadcaster and to the right is the viewer. As a broadcaster, you can pause your camera and turn it on again, or you can mute your microphone or turn it on again. I will now mute the microphone, as the only other control is the viewer is able to turn on their audio. Please note, if your viewer has their audio on in the same room that you're broadcasting, you may experience feedback. So it is recommended that anyone within the room that you're broadcasting from should turn off their audio out. If you no longer want to share your webcam and microphone, simply press the webcam button on the menu. This will prompt you to select if you're sure you want to disconnect. Press disconnect and you will no longer be sharing your webcam and microphone. Thank you.